James Brown comes with this debut, I would say, Take Me As I Am on Defected record, an incredible release, jam-packed with fantastic tunes. It's a deeply soulful journey, tribute to the mentor Amp Fiedler, released of course on Defected record. This project blends house, funk, and also has this kind of classic Motor City spirit bound and in its DNA. It's raw, it's uplifting, it's pure Detroit. So I would say let's get started and warm up with this amazing tune. We selected a sweet one from the amazing palette of tracks that you can enjoy on this record. Take it all in. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy. Teleport yourself into our hood. Land your soul into what's good. Wonder, you should come into music beyond control. Innovation like my afro. What up, though? 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 Innovation like my afro. What up, though? What up, though? Innovation like my afro. What up, though? What up, though? Find your way across the sea. City, known for love and life, moving fast and not too slow. Baby, what up, though? What up, though? What up, though? What up, though? To my city, what up? What up, though? City, what up, though? We can't get tired of listening to this record. It's fantastic. In case this is the first time you hear about this project, take your time to deep dive. You find it available on streaming platforms, but if you really like it, I believe there should still be some copy available on vinyl and it's gonna be yours forever. It's one of our favorite soulful new entries to our archive, and we are playing this record at every would say in every area of our creative center, moving it from floor to floor. Fantastic release, James Brown on Defected record.